Hi, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and today I want to teach you how you can share your recipes with people outside of Plan to Eat, as well as share recipes with friends inside of Plan to Eat. So, when you're in the Plan to Eat app, sharing recipes with other people who either use Plan to Eat or don't use Plan to Eat is super easy. All you have to do is tap on the three dot icon of any of your recipes, and it's going to take you to your recipe options. And you'll see here in the list that there's a share recipe option. So you can just tap on that and it's going to give you the option to share it through your messages. You could airdrop it, all of the different things. You could email it from here. So you could just go to a text message and send this recipe to your BFF or your mom or somebody who you think would really like this recipe. Now, when you share recipes like that with someone who doesn't have a Plan to Eat account, they won't be able to see the full recipe unless they create a Plan to Eat account. They will be able to see the ingredients for the recipe, but the directions will direct them to the original website where they will have to use the recipe from that if they don't have a Plan to Eat account. If your friend does have a Plan to Eat account, when they get that text message about the recipe, they can open up the link and it's going to open up right in their Plan to Eat account so that they can save it and then use it just like their own recipe. Which leads me into adding friends in Plan to Eat. You can become friends with other Plan to Eat customers and share recipes and use your friends' recipes just like your own. The Plan to Eat app isn't specifically set up for being able to find other friends because we want our customers to have full privacy of their recipes if that's what they want. However, if you know other people that use Plan to Eat, you can become friends with them. If you don't know anybody else but you want to connect with other people, we also have a Facebook group. It's called Plan to Eat Kitchen, and you can join and you can ask others to become your friend in Plan to Eat. I will link to that Facebook group in the description of this video if you want to get there quickly. So once you're in the app, in order to navigate to the friend section, you're going to tap on the My Recipes header in your cook section. And then you're going to go down to your friends. You can see I'm already connected with 6 different people as friends in Plan to Eat. So I can go into the recipe book of one of my friends and I can look and see what recipes they have that look good. So Riley has this 15-minute Parmesan lemon cauliflower recipe that looks so good. So when I'm looking at her recipe, all I have to do is tap this save button right here. And now this recipe is going to be saved into my Plan to Eat account and I can use it just like my own. So I'll go show you where it lives in my account now. Again, to get back to your recipes, you can either double tap on the cook tab or you can use this header menu at the top and navigate back to your recipes. You can see Riley's recipe that I saved is right here at the top of my main course because of the title. So I can just go into this recipe and I can add it to my planner for any day that I want. So now that recipe is here on my planner, and even though it's Riley's recipe, I can still view the recipe. I can still go into the cooking view of this recipe, update the servings for how many people I want to serve with this recipe, all of the great things that you get from having your own recipes, but it's just a shared recipe from a friend. So in order to connect with other people in Plan to Eat as a friend, you need to know either their Plan to Eat username or their email address. So when I come back to the main friends section, you'll see that there's a big add friends button here at the bottom. I can tap that and then it's going to ask me to put in my friend's email address and just make sure it's the email address that they actually use for Plan to Eat. Otherwise, the friend request won't connect to their Plan to Eat account properly. And once you've sent that request, they're going to get an email and they can accept your friend request and then you'll be connected. You'll be able to see their recipes and they'll be able to see your recipes as well. It creates a two-way friendship. All right, that's the basics of sharing recipes and connecting with friends in Plan to Eat. If you have any questions, please email us at help@plantoeat.com. We'd be happy to help you with anything related to the Friends feature or other features in Plan to Eat. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon in another video.